So here we have a pretty large box. I guess you can see by the size of the case. You could just about fit the case in that box. And it has every single part that's related to this build. All the trim panels, the reservoir, the pump body, all the unused parts, the inverters, the cables, all the unused sleeve and shrink. All kinds of stuff in here, all the goodies, everything. So that'll simplify the unloading process. All the goodies are in one great big box. Got all the power supply stuff back in this box, very nice. And just got to do one last minute adjustment. I was inspecting my opus of cabling here, which I've spent forever doing. I found a couple of pins that did not go far enough up into the housing, so I'm going to massage those, and if I have to, I've got my little goodie box, and this is going to my client. I'm going to end up giving him all this stuff because he's got quite a project ahead of him. He may want to do some custom cabling. He may need some fan plug-ins, and he bought a lot of this stuff, my client did, and we just ended up kind of rejecting a lot of it. And some of this is my stuff, and some of this was given to me by Smasher Basher when Cerulean passed. I Eat Fish and Smasher Basher ended up with a lot of Cerulean stuff, and they sent a lot of it to me. This is from Lutro Customs. I'm sorry, this is not from Lutro Customs. This is from Lutro Customs. This is like a little gauge for doing that kind of precision sleeving. These are from Furball Zen. Those are those wonderful power supply combs, along with some rods he sent, some little rods to mount them and stuff. So I'll bring the tools to do that, but I'm not going to mount them until I see where the cables lay. And there's not a lot of shrink left from MBPC, Nils Papke. Awesome guy. But I've got it in long, I just don't have it all cut up, but there's a few little ends to just dial things in. So there's a little box of goodies. As you can see, I've got the window protected on the inside. I've done the same on the outside. This is a doubled up heavy duty trash bag, brand new. Just cut it up to size, stuck it on, and the whole purpose of this is to keep any kind of chafing from the window touching here during transport. Shouldn't be a big deal, but I'm going to tape this off too with blue tape. And this baby's going in the box, and I'm going to tweak on these little panels back here a little bit. I've got the little magnetic panels. If I can, I'll try and dial those in just a little bit more. I'm running out of material tape wise. Here's what we got to ship. Well, not exactly hand transport in the truck. I'm just paranoid. So everything's going to be real secure before I head out.